Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got some serious yard maintenance to do, you're gonna love this Echo Blade Kit. We've paired this brush cutter blade kit with our Echo gas powered weed trimmer, and oh my goodness, this thing is a powerhouse. It cuts through these super thick brambles and weeds and briars like they are absolutely nothing. It takes zero work on your part at all. This thing just slices right through it. We recently moved to this property that needed a lot of cleanup and definitely had some super thick overgrowth, and so this really came in handy. It is pretty easy to switch out the blade from the regular weed trimmer function, and the kit comes with everything you need, including the blade and the blade guard, the handle extension, the hub adapters, even a shoulder strap. So it's got everything right there in one kit. Not only does this work super well and make really quick work of even tough jobs, it is also incredibly satisfying to slice right through these huge weeds and briars in no time. So this is a must-have if you have a lot of heavy weeds or brambles and briars to get through. It works amazing, and that's my point of view.